Morning, Ned.
Morning, bud. Get some shut eye.
Best a man can. How long it been like this?
Rain? Oh, I reckon. Back before I couldn't even think up, done scroll the days. It's getting hard to tell where the sun's at.
What day'd you lose it?
I reckon. What you do before the rains come?
I told you that afore.
Only so many words. When two fellows get along enough, I expect they run out of words soon enough.
Well, I'll tell you what I told you afore. Do not remember.
Really coming down.
Same as always. Reckon I'll go into town. I'll see you after a while, Ned.
What you need to go into town for?
Get some grub. I'll see you after a while, Ned. There's a man yonder polishing a jar.
Shopkeeper, I reckon. Is the one you want to talk to.
How do I get there?
Ain't been out in a while. See the way?
Reckon I don't know the way neither. Show is coming down.
It is of that.
I just had me thought.
It's known to happen.
This place gets leaky. We ain't got a bucket can catch it up. Where's all the water gonna go then?
What you gonna do today?
Figure out going to town later.
What about the rain?
Little rain never hurt nobody. Well,
What?
nothing. I had me a dream.
I ain't never had one.
I had me one.
You had one of what?
A dream.
What'd you see?
I was standing on a ridge. Weren't no rain. Saw the sun and I could hardly see for it shone so bright. And it seemed I could see past the ridge and past the other side and up onto a river that spilt off the edge of the edge of everything. Off into the sky, but I knew it was a dream because I seen something that I do not think is real. I think I seen it through the eyes of the Almighty.
It's known to happen.
I seen grass and a glade and trees and leaves and moss and water with big lily pads and vines and things. They were. Well, hell, I seen a color, Ned, and it ain't gray. It was brighter. Looked awful nice.
What color was it?
It wasn't gray, it wasn't black, it wasn't white, it wasn't yellow, it wasn't blue. Something brighter. Something with more color. What other colors are there?
Black, gray, white. Some yellow, I think. Was it blue?
Oh, it wasn't blue. It was like the color of all things living. The color of breath, heartbeat, life. What color is that?
I don't know if they gotta cover that.
I seen it.
You ever hear about the old Willet boy?
Never did, Ned.
Well, the old Willet boy wasn't so old. He was just a boy. Went off one day, hung by himself with an old rifle his daddy gave him, chasing this old buck through the trees. He falls down, gets his arm caught in one of them toothy leg traps used to catch bears. Well, he starts calling for help. Calls and he calls, but nobody's coming. He gets cold, his belly begins to ache, critters nosing around. Bear moses along and nibbles him a little. You imagine that? A bear nibbles a boy caught in a bear trap. So Willie gets scared. And he starts nibbling his arm. Eats it right through to the bone. He starts running, but his arm's leaking so much blood, that he just keels over. Blood all over the ground. Knotted right off. Didn't do him no good. What a story.
Who told it to you?
Don't recollect. Maybe it didn't happen. Maybe I just dreamt it.
Well, I best be on my way.
Go ahead, what?
I'll see you after a while, Ned.